In today's episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about how encapsulation carpet cleaning works. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get right down to it. How does encapsulation carpet cleaning function? It's really pretty simple. In fact, years ago, I learned way back in my IICRC instruction that 80% of the soil in carpet is dry soil. In fact, in more recent times, Shaw Industry has upped that to 85% dry soil. Now let's think that through for just a second. If 85% of the soil in the carpet is dry soil, the stuff we remove with a vacuum cleaner, that means that the component that we go after as carpet cleaners is much smaller, 15%, or old school, maybe 20%. If we're cleaning 15% of the soil load in the carpet, what we want to focus on is getting the dry soil out first. So if we can remove dry soil, if we can get as much of that 85% out as possible, what's left for us to clean as carpet cleaners is the smaller component, 15%. And that's where encapsulation shines. Now let's keep in mind, we're talking about cleaning a synthetic fiber that's very short. That being the case, since it's so short and it's synthetic, it doesn't normally require a ton of water. Unless the carpet's trashed, you might have an extreme situation that requires hot water extraction. But for most cases, for commercial carpet, it's very simple and practical to clean it with encapsulation. Because what we're going to do is we're going to go after the sticky soil, the 15% that's binding to the fiber. We're going to scrub the carpet with our encapsulation solution so that the soil that was previously attached to the fiber is now in our encapsulation fluid. Now as that dries, because Release It is a polymeric detergent, it's going to dry brittle. Now keep in mind, the carpet fiber is flexible. So what do we have now? We have the soil in the solution that's now dried to a brittle component on a flexible fiber. Now let's place all that together. It's like an eggshell now on a flexible fiber. As the fiber flexes, the encapsulated soil in the detergent is going to fracture away from the fiber, and then normal routine vacuuming can pull that from the carpet. It's a very practical way to clean carpet. So what we're going to do, we're going to scrub the carpet, and the soil that was previously visible has been displaced from the surface. Now keep in mind, there's a lot of empty space there too. The carpet is made up of carpet fiber and space. So we displace the soil from the visible surface. It's still there in the fluid, yes, but the carpet immediately looks clean right off the bat, looks clean and bright. And the solution is holding the soil in suspension, dries brittle, and can be vacuumed out of the carpet. So the carpets are going to look bright immediately and they're going to stay clean longer. So that's something you can sell to your customers. They're going to appreciate the fact that their carpets are going to stay in a better condition. We're going to get those grungy traffic lanes clean and it's going to stay looking good. So again, this is just a simple explanation. It's a very practical way to keep the carpets looking bright and clean. So what are some of the benefits of this cleaning method? Well, we can clean using less water. We use very little moisture to clean using the encapsulation method. Recurring spill stains can be eliminated. We're not going to have that process of what's down at the carpet back and coming back up. It actually slows the wicking process down, so we don't have recurring spill stains and wicking, which is very common, particularly with commercial glue down carpet. Another awesome component is that the Release It detergents love oily soil, so it grows after the stuff that walks in from the parking lot, the oils and stuff. It just pulls that into the encapsulation detergent, so the carpets are going to clean up very nicely and they're going to stay clean longer. In fact, it's a very soil resistant detergent, Release It is. So that makes it easy for us to get the carpets into an excellent condition that's easy to maintain, easy for you, the carpet cleaner, to maintain, but also for the building owner. They're going to enjoy cleaner carpet over the long run using a good encapsulation program like what we have with Release It. But now sometimes people ask us, can I vacuum it immediately afterwards? Won't hurt to vacuum it, but you're going to see an acceleration of soil removal to begin after about 24 hours. We want to let that really cure, the polymer cure, and begin to fracture away from the fiber. So normally the vacuuming process, the ongoing vacuuming process, will continue to pull that encapsulated soil out of the carpet through the succession of vacuuming. So hopefully this will help you understand a little better what's involved with encapsulation and how it really can just hit the ball out of the park when it comes to commercial carpet maintenance, as well as residential. We're seeing more and more applications where people have carpets that are being maintained in a very excellent way on the residential side, particularly with orbital machines with bonnets. So that's another area where encapsulation fits. So it's a great way to keep commercial carpets looking great. And really, that's what we're all about here at Excellent Supply. We're all about encapsulation. We want to help you max your Encap. Thank you for watching this episode. If you like what you saw, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, put that down below as well. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.